Hi, I'm Dr. Siddharth Singala, and I recently cleared my USMLE Step 2 exam. After passing my USMLE Step 1, I felt like I needed some sort of guidance in preparing for my Step 2 exam, and I have to say that's where the Moksh Academy really came in. I decided to go for Moksh Academy for my preparation after quite a lot of research and asking around like which place would be best in helping me and guiding me through this journey of my getting residency in US. And I have to say they were very helpful in every step of my prep. The question bank that the Moksh Academy have is a great precursor for solving UWorld questions. I mean, they really reinforce the concepts and the information that you might forget from USM after preparing for step one. What helped me the most actually was the Moksh Academy AMA sections, which are like Ask My Mentor sessions, in which they assign you a personalized mentor who has been through this process. Like he's not just someone from the outside who is trying to help you. Like they have been through what you're going through. So they really helped me solve all my queries and questions and any other doubts I had about this exam or the whole process of like applying to US residency. And they were very helpful and approachable, I have to say. Like it felt like I was just talking to my seniors, and they were very forefront and helpful in solving any of my problems. The biggest impact that Moksh Academy had in my preparation was like they held me accountable. They always give you a daily test series of like 10 questions, 20 questions that you have to solve every day, and there's a review session for those, which really helps you like just keep on doing your questions and being regular with your studies that you may not be when you're trying to solve your questions on your own, or you're just trying to prepare for the exam on your own. I really like to thank Moksh Academy because they were very instrumental in helping me in clearing my Step 2 exam in like what 5-6 months of preparation that I had. And I would really recommend it if anyone wants to really try and clear this exam with great marks.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.